Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Muhammad Amaruddin from the 4th semester Universitas Islam Mojopahit. Okay, in this moment I will take presentation. The title is case study. Okay, case study. Okay, this is one of research study. Okay, I will start. Case study is a type of ethnographic research study that focuses on a single unit, such as one individual, one group, one organization, or one program. Okay. A case study is an empirical process of seeking knowledge to investigate and examine various phenomena in a real-life context. Okay. Yin in 2003 states that the purpose of using case studies is not related to explaining what the object under study is like, but to explain how it exists and why the case occurs. Okay, why the case occurred. Okay. In other words, case study research does not answer research questions about what the object under study, but more thoroughly and comprehensively is about how and why the object occurs and is formed as and can be seen as a case. Okay. Case studies use multiple methods such as interviews, observation, and the last is archive to gather data. Okay. The next is the characteristic of case study. Okay, according to Ying 2003, there are some characteristics of case study. Okay, the first is placing the object of research as a case, and number two, seeing cases as a contemporary phenomenon, and the third, performed in real-life condition, and number four is uses multiple data sources. Okay, and the last, number five, is using theory as a reference for research. Okay, the next is the type of case study in general. Number one is historical case study research or exploratory case studies. This exploratory case study aims to get answers to the who or what questions. Data collection methods from these case studies are often accompanied by additional data collection methods, such as questionnaires, interviews, and experiments. Okay, these exploratory case studies are usually also precursors to formal. Yes, to formal large-scale research projects. This type of case study is also often used to provide more background information. Yes, more background information than a typical case study. Okay, and in order to better compare the results and also to make it possible for the researchers to dedicate more time in studying the required information. Okay, and number second is observation case study. This observational case study is a case study that has data collection techniques draw the involvement of researchers. Okay, researchers must go directly to the field where the research study is carried out. Okay, and if you are already to the research location, the researchers is required to collect data through interviews with respondents. Okay, and case studies like this are usually carried out is research using qualitative research methodologies. Okay, in research using qualitative research methodologies. Okay, and the example is any type of research in which the researchers participate in data collection. If in a case study the researchers does not go directly to the field, it cannot be said to be an observation case study. Okay. And the next, number 3, is community case studies. The next type of case study is the social case study, where this type of case study means if the case study has a research center in an area inhabited by a group of residents. Okay, and the scope of community case study research can be in the form of a community, village, or sub-district. And for example of this community case study is a series of research activities conducted on women who are members of the PKK organization. And number 4 is life history case studies. A life history case study is a case study that has the object or subject of research from a figure who has services in any field. This case study is also known as a biographical case study. Okay, and the next is microethnographic case studies. Okay, the studies is a case study that will examine the habits of a small group, like the meaning of the word micro, which means small. Yes. While ethno means a habit and the last graph means variety. Okay, and number 6 is situation analysis case study. A situation analysis case study is a case study conducted in order to obtain a truth in every presumption that is being hotly discussed by the wider community. Okay. And according to Stake 2005, based on characteristic and function of the case, number 1 is in depth or intrinsic case study research. Yes. And number 2 is instrumental case study research, and number 3 is multiple case study research. Okay. For the conclusion is case study research is a detailed examination of a particular setting, person, subject, place, or event that is studied in depth. The studies are based on a fundamentally different approach to the study of social reality from that which underlies the standard quantitative approach to the study of education. Thank you for your kind attention, and if there are some mistakes, I'm sorry. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.